You knew you were going to get the Red Lobster gig because you had a referral.
Yeah, sure, and I think the thinking and the ideology behind having such a guest.
They jarred the scent of Barbados.
What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
You know, the different areas between people. I found that amazing. I found
that
futuristic.
That's so humiliating and I can't believe you brought that up, man. That's so embarrassing.
I want to go to Rome.
I love Rome.
And eat my way back.
Every 2-3 hours is good.
Okay, let's get.
You know, there's a guilt in there.
I'm a little worried.
Just between LA and San Diego.
Okay. And let's talk about your first movie. Your first movie.
Sometimes when it's quick, it doesn't need to make sense.
You know what?
Well renowned in the medical world. What are the benefits of eating meat versus...
Worked a lot. It was like my second job ever. So he
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and
You ready?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.